Yun, madaming persecution talaga nangyari sa life ko, especially sa family ko.
Rimna and her family was separated after her parents were on the run from authorities. Rimna's father was charged for drug trafficking, and for the past years, Rimna and her family has been separated.
Na napalayas po ako sa amin. Hindi ko po alam saan na po ako pupunta o saan na ako tutuloy. Pero meron po akong isang kaibigan na pinakilala po sa akin ang crib. Napapatanong na po ako sa sarili ko dahil sa nakikita ko sa paligid ko na yung pagmamahal na pinapakita nila sa akin ay iba na sa inyo na gusto ko din ma-experience. Sinare niya sa akin kung sino si Isa Almasih, kung paano niya binigay yung buhay niya para sa aking kasalanan. Doon ko naramdaman yung pagmamahal ng tunay, kaya tinanggap ko si Isa Almasih.
By God's grace, Rimna moved into a refuge home run by a local pastor and his wife. It was in this shelter that Rimna encountered the love of Christ and accepted Him into her heart.
And pag-uwi ko galing sa prayer, nakatanggap ako ng tawag sa nawala na pala ang aking father na dahil hindi niya nakayanan yung depression niya, hindi niya nakayanan yung dala-dala niya, kaya nakapag-come up siya na mag-suicide, magbigti na nung nalaman ko that time sa nangyari sa father ko, siyempre naisip ko na pumunta sa family ko, sa mga kapatid ko, sa bahay namin.
Rimna, on the other hand, was not at all welcomed. Her uncle blamed her for his father's death because of her faith in Christ.
Pero dumating yung tito ko na bigla niya akong sinampal dahil sinisisi niya ako dahil sa nangyari sa father ko, dahil sa faith daw na meron ako, kaya yung nangyayari sa father ko.
Until now, Rimna and her family are still separated from each other. She continues to grow in her faith in Christ and even shared her faith with her mom, who is now baptized.
Yung time na nagkasakit yung ate ko, tinawag ako ng ate ko na para bantayan siya doon, pumunta yung tita ko. Patuloy niya pa rin sinisisi sa akin lahat ng mga nangyari sa family ko. Dahil daw sa faith ko, kaya daw mas nagwawatak-watak yung family namin. Dumating sa point na ni-offer niya sa akin yung pag-aaral. In-offer niya sa akin after mag-aral, may work na. Pero ang isang kapalit dun, yung faith ko na iwan ko na yung pagiging believer ko na the Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall
Rimna
I fear?
bravely
The
turned
Lord is
down
the
her
stronghold
aunt's
of my
offer.
life. Of whom shall I be afraid? One thing have
But
I
she
asked
worries
of the
that if her
Lord,
aunt
the will
becomes
I
stricter,
seek after,
she would not be
that I
able
may
to
dwell in
visit
the
her
house of
family
the Lord
again.
all the days of my life, to gaze upon the beauty of the Lord and to inquire in His temple. I thank God dahil hindi ako hinayaan ng Lord na madala doon sa offer na yun, na tinulungan niya ako mag-stand sa katotohanan, na tinanggihan ko kung ano yung ino-offer ng tita ko. Kasi alam ko hindi ako magiging ganito ngayon, hindi dahil kay Isa Almasih.
Rimna received assistance from Open Doors to complete her 4-year Bachelor of Science in Education program. She graduated in 2022. She has committed to serving in God's ministry at her local church full-time.